Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see this full details of this Prestige PRWO 1.8 liter electric rice cooker from the Prestige brand. And see here, this has warm function also. Once the rice is fully cooked, means if there are no water inside, it will automatically goes into the warm state. Thus this would be ideal for the people who goes for offices or school, something like that. And this is the power cord. Okay, and let me show you the interior also. Okay, this is the lid. Okay, and this comes with two cooking pans inside. Okay, two cooking pans and one scoop and one measuring cup, along with the one plate sort of things. This is to avoid the rice sticking to the base of the cooking pan. So when you keep this, the rice will be on top of it, so that it avoids the sticking if there is any condition like that. And see here, this is where the coil which heats up the electric rice cooker. Yeah, and coming to the cost of this is nearly like 2500 rupees. Even though I checked in the online availability, this is very close to the 2500 range. Anyway, the prices will vary from time to time. At the end of the video, I'll show you the online availability. For now, the build quality is looking pretty good. The looks also, they are looking pretty good. Yeah, that's what I can say. And the build quality and everything is looking good. And please do comment if anyone are already using this Prestige rice cookers. Not exactly this model, maybe any other model. As I said, this got really good rating. Yes, this got 4.1 rating. And here it is showing like, by the time I record this video, it is showing like 2560. Prestige PRWO, and this is ideal for cooking 1 kilo of rice. See here, cooks up to 1 kilo of rice. Multi-purpose versatile cooking means other than rice you can cook other recipes too. That's what they are mentioning. And 6 cup of cooked rice means this would be ideal for the family of 3 to 4 people. So if your family is under like 4 people, this would be one of the good choice. That is what the capacity of 1.8 liter. Okay, cook and warm indicator and stainless steel lid. Yeah, this prevents spilling. Okay, yeah, this would be common for any other branded rice cookers. And yeah, what else? 26 centimeters. Okay, these are the things in the box. Trivet is the plate what I have mentioned, right? I have shown you, right? To avoid the sticking of the rice. Yes, this is included. The scoop and the measuring cup, all these are included along with this rice. And please do comment your opinion, and if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. And this take 700 watts of electricity. That's what they mentioned. See here, 700 watts. Cool touch handles. Yes, means you can touch, means they won't get heated up. Cooking, steaming and soap making, for these purposes this will be useful. And thanks.